Welcome to the Clinsoft tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how a student can manage their placements using Clinsoft. Let's dive in and see how it all works. First, on the navigation bar of your Clinsoft dashboard, you will find a tab called My Activities. Click on it to navigate to the My Activities page. Here you will see three options: training, assessment, and placements. Since we are focusing on your placement, select the Placements tab. Now you will see three sections: active, upcoming, and completed. Active shows your currently active placements. Upcoming shows your future placements. Completed shows placements you have already finished. Let's select one of the active placements as an example. You will now see your placement details, including the placement name, date, facility, maximum students in the batch, and the number of hours required. All the key information is displayed right here at the top. Scrolling down, you will find tabs for educators, facility, roster, and placement documents. In the Educators tab, you can see your educator's name and an option for private messaging, allowing you to send messages directly to your educator. If you want to communicate with the batch, click the Communication button to enter your message. This ensures that your message is seen by educators, facility instructors, and other students. Next to Communication, you will see the Start Book button. This is used to begin your placement procedure. We have a separate video on this, so be sure to check it out. Next, in the Facility tab, you can find details about your placement facility, such as the address, contact information, facility instructor's name, and any documents uploaded by the facility. You can download these documents directly from here. In the Roster tab, you can check your weekly schedule. By selecting a week, you will see the specific dates and hours you are scheduled to work. Here's how to record your hours. Simply enter the number of hours you worked each day. For example, if you worked 7 hours on July 8th and 8 hours on July 9th, you can enter them accordingly. Just remember, you need to enter the total hours worked, and it auto-saves, so there is no need to manually save it. You also have the option to enter the name of your buddy assessor, the person supervising you during your placement. In the Documents tab, you can view and download any documents related to your placement provided by your institution. And that's it! Now you know how to manage your clinical placements in Clinsoft. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!